Want to take your iPhone to the next level? In this video, we're checking out the top 15 best iPhone accessories on Amazon, from fast chargers and power banks to cases, camera gear, and more. Whether you're into photography, gaming, or just everyday convenience, these accessories will make your iPhone even smarter. Stick around to find the ones you can't live without. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech that upgrades your lifestyle. At number 1 we have TONEOF 68 inches magnetic selfie stick. The phone stand is made of aluminum, compatible with Magsafe function, allowing seamless attachment for Magsafe-enabled devices. During use, you can quickly attach and detach the cell phone, which is more convenient and sturdier than the ordinary spring-loaded phone clips. Featuring 8-section aluminum alloy telescopic rods, this tripod for iPhone extends from 11 inches to 68 inches, 173 centimeters, offering stability and versatility for various shooting scenarios. This remote allows you to take photos or start/stop video recording from a distance, making it ideal for solo travelers, content creators, or anyone who needs hands-free operation. Combining a tripod for cell phone, selfie stick, and magnetic phone holder into one compact device, this item is designed for portability and convenience. At number 2 we have Andery car phone holder for Magsafe. This car phone holder features a 360 degrees rotating base and 210 degrees dual-axis folding metal arms, allowing easy angle adjustments to suit your needs. Whether in the car or at the office, switch between portrait and landscape modes effortlessly. This car phone mount uses advanced rotating lock vacuum suction, boosting suction by 45% compared to traditional press-on mounts. With 22 high-performance N55 magnets, this mount's magnetic strength is 200% stronger than standard magnets, providing a top-tier hold with up to 2400 GF of force. It can support the weight of up to 50 phones. This magnetic phone holder for cars features a unique circular vent design that reduces contact between your phone and the holder, improving airflow and preventing overheating. Whether you're using GPS on a long drive or video calling during your commute, it keeps your phone cool, extending battery life and ensuring smooth performance. At number 3 we have A2C magnetic golf cart phone holder. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy, the A2C golf cart cell phone holder offers superior durability and strength over plastic mounts, delivering unmatched stability and lasting performance on any course. Take it to golf and set it up in a snap. No installation is required. Keep your phone right at your fingertips. Just snap your iPhone on and go. With 17 strong magnets precisely aligned to Magsafe and iPhone 12 to 16 series, this golf cart phone mount ensures effortless attachment and removal every time. Made from premium aluminum alloy with refined craftsmanship, the A2C dual magnetic golf phone holder is a top-tier gift for golfers, men, women, dads, grandpas, or friends. A must-have golf accessory for any enthusiast. At number 4 we have Apple Watch Series 8. Your essential companion for a healthy life is now even more powerful. Advanced sensors provide insights to help you better understand your health. Safety features can get you help when you need it. The bright, always-on Retina display is easy to read, even when your wrist is down. Easily customizable, available in a range of sizes and materials, with dozens of bands to choose from and watch faces with complications tailored to whatever you're into. Innovative safety features, crash detection and fall detection can automatically connect you with emergency services in the event of a severe car crash or a hard fall. And Emergency SOS provides urgent assistance with the press of a button. Advanced health features, temperature sensing is a breakthrough feature that provides deep insights into women's health. Keep an eye on your blood oxygen. Take an ECG anytime. Get notifications if you have an irregular rhythm. And see how much time you spend in REM, core, or deep sleep with sleep stages. At number 5 we have Apple AirPods 3rd generation. With sound that suits your unique ear shape along with dynamic head tracking, AirPods 3rd generation deliver an immersive listening experience that places sound all around you. You can also listen to select songs, shows, and movies in Dolby Atmos. AirPods in the Lightning charging case is rated IPX4 sweat and water resistant, so they'll withstand anything from heavy workouts to rain. Recharge your AirPods with the portable Lightning charging case for power throughout the day, wherever you go. The Force sensor lets you control your entertainment as well as answer, and mute or unmute yourself on calls. Say "Hey Siri" to activate your favorite personal assistant and stay on top of everyday tasks like playing music, making calls, getting directions, or checking your schedule. At number 6 we have Xenvo Pro Lens Kit for iPhone. Shoot stunning photos of people, pets, travel scenery, landscapes, architecture, selfies and more. No dark corners, vignetting, like cheaper lenses. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum and premium optical glass for durability and clarity. Capture all the intricacies and details with precision focus for razor-crisp macro photos every time. For best results, position macro lens approximately ½ inch from subject. Not designed for zooming in on distant subjects, the TrueGrip lens clip offers superior gripping power to fasten your lenses to your cell phone when you're in action mode, framing your next perfect shot. The Glow Clip LED light clips anywhere on your phone to instantly illuminate your subject and surroundings with warm continuous light. The warm and natural LED light is superior to your smartphone's built-in flash, which can be blinding and unnatural, especially in darker settings and venues. At number 7 we have Apple Watch Ultra 2. The most rugged and capable Apple Watch. Designed for outdoor adventures and supercharged workouts with a lightweight titanium case, extra long battery life, and the brightest ever display. Featuring double tap, a magical way to interact with Apple Watch, and precision finding to guide you to your iPhone. Key features: why? Rugged, capable, and built to meet the demands of endurance athletes, outdoor adventurers, and water sports enthusiasts, with a specialized band for each. The S9 SIP enables a super bright display and a magical new way to quickly and easily interact with your Apple Watch without touching the display. Up to 36 hours of battery life and 72 hours in low power mode. Biggest, Apple's brightest always-on Retina display is easy to see, even in harsh sunlight. More room for adding complications to customize your watch face and enough space to view 6 metrics at once. The freedom of. At number 8 we have JTEMAN phone stand with wireless Bluetooth speaker. JTEMAN cell phone stand with Bluetooth speaker gadget gift. The phone stand allows you to free your hands. The Bluetooth speaker makes your phone sound louder and clearer. The built-in microphone speaker can help the elderly hear the sound more clearly. JTEMAN Bluetooth speaker with phone holder is suitable for most 4 to 13-inch smartphones, tablets and e-readers with Bluetooth function. The hook fits devices up to 0.59 inches, 15 millimeters, thick. Multiple angles can be adjusted to meet your different viewing needs. Let you enjoy music, watch videos and FaceTime easily. Foldable stand design, easy to carry and save space. JTEMAN phone stand speaker for desk is a useful gadgets. JTEMAN 2-in-1 Bluetooth speaker with stand is a practical gift. The hook is stable and reliable, and the cushion back and bottom of the phone holder are fully covered with anti-slip silicone. At number 9 we have Andobil magnetic phone grip holder. This innovative Magsafe ring holder allows for 360 degrees rotation and 180 degrees flipping, offering versatile adjustments at multiple angles. The upgraded Magsafe grip provides a comfortable, ergonomic vertical screen viewing angle, perfect for TikTok vertical short videos and FaceTime calls. The Andobil Magsafe ring stand is crafted from military-grade zinc alloy and precision engineering, ensuring unparalleled stability. Even with a gentle push from a kitten, it remains steadfast and unyielding. This magnetic phone ring features a unique dual-sided magnetic design, allowing it to adhere to any magnetic metal surface without the need to remove the ring, making it compatible with Magsafe car mounts. Does not hurt hands. The external support ring of this magnetic pop socket for iPhone features a tilted design for easy pulling, just like flipping through a book, making it effortless to slide out without damaging your beautiful nails. At number 10 we have Pinlinsheng Air Case with one screen protector. This magnetic phone case with screen protector combines style, durability, and functionality in one sleek design. Built with strong magnetic compatibility, it works perfectly with Magsafe chargers and accessories, while the military-grade shockproof protection ensures your phone stays safe from drops and impacts. The slim, lightweight frame features a translucent matte finish that resists fingerprints and scratches, with raised edges to shield both the camera and screen. Designed with precise cutouts and an anti-slip grip, it offers easy access and a comfortable hold for everyday use. Plus, it comes with a high-quality tempered glass screen protector, giving you complete front and back coverage. Compatible with wireless charging, this case is the perfect balance of protection and style for your device. At number 11 we have Kaistyle for Magsafe car mount. This powerful magnetic phone holder can create a powerful attraction that firmly supports your device while allowing you to drive without distraction. It easily and securely holds your phone through bumps, sharp turns or even sudden stops, no worrying of dropping your phone. VHB adhesive provides strong stick force between the dashboard and the car phone holder, which can firmly stick to any plane in the car, fix your device, adapt to a variety of road conditions such as sudden braking, speed bump, and rugged mountain road. Mini size, not taking up space, it is placed in the dashboard without blocking the view at all, and does not need to look down at the device to ensure you're safe driving. With an adjustable swivel ball joint, you can rotate your smartphone or device at your own will, providing the best viewing angle. At number 12 we have APEXEL Professional Macro Lens. The macro lens is made of 5 pieces quality glass lens instead of a cheap resinous lens. Each lens has 3 to 5 layers of coating to increase lens transmissivity and reduce reflectivity. It can offer HD view, no distortion, no vignetting, no dark corners. Start to take close-up photos by your cell phone with the macro lens. The macro lens cone's diameter is up to 1.57 inches/4 centimeters. Lens's exit pupil diameter is up to 0.91 inches/2.3 centimeters. The large aperture offers outstanding bokeh backgrounds ability natural, soft, truly. The 10x macro lens does not need an app or specific phone case. It has soft silicone feet clip design, so easy to install and use. The optimum working distance between the lens and the observed object is up to 1.5 to 2.7 inches 4 to 7 centimeters. The macro lens is not designed for zoom in on distant subjects. At number 13 we have Apple GPS Watch Series 8. Your essential companion for a healthy life is now even more powerful. Advanced sensors provide insights to help you better understand your health. New safety features can get you help when you need it. The bright, always-on Retina display is easy to read, even when your wrist is down. Available in a range of sizes and materials, with dozens of bands to choose from and watch faces with complications tailored to whatever you're into. Crash detection and fall detection can automatically connect you with emergency services in the event of a severe car crash or a hard fall. And Emergency SOS provides urgent assistance with the press of a button. Temperature sensing is a breakthrough feature that provides deep insights into women's health. Keep an eye on your blood oxygen. Take an ECG anytime. At number 14 we have Apple AirPods Pro 2. Active noise cancellation removes up to 2x more background noise. Transparency mode lets you hear the world around you, and adaptive audio seamlessly blends active noise cancellation and transparency mode for the best listening experience in any environment. The Apple-designed H2 chip helps to create deeply immersive sound. The low distortion, custom-built driver delivers crisp, clear high notes in full, rich bass and stunning definition. Voice isolation improves the quality of phone calls in loud conditions. Both AirPods Pro and the Magsafe charging case are IP54 dust, sweat, and water resistant, so you can listen comfortably in more conditions. With sound that suits your unique ear shape along with dynamic head tracking, AirPods Pro 2 deliver an immersive listening experience that places sound all around you. At number 15 we have LISEN 65 watts car charger USB-C. 65 watts super fast charger. LISEN 65 watts USB-C car charger with 30 watts coiled cable charges your iPhone 15, 16 and later. Not compatible with iPhone models below 15. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra from 0% to 80% in 30 minutes, reducing charging time by 50%. Built-in USB-C coiled cable. The coiled design ensures no tangled cords and eliminates the need for multiple cables. It extends to the desired length, maintaining a clean, tidy dashboard without clutter. Multiple charging ports. Multi-port design allows simultaneous charging of phones, tablets, and other devices. Ideal for family trips or group travels, everyone can charge at the same time. Safety protections. Features intelligent power management with overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, overheating, and short-circuit protection. Certified with UL, CE, FCC, and RoHS, ensuring safety and durability. Charging indicator. Lighted indicator shows the charger is securely plugged in, with the perfect brightness to avoid distractions while driving at night.